Got a 2018 Infiniti Q50 key fob here. I'm gonna show you how to open it up to replace the battery. So go ahead and flip it over. You have a sliding button here. We're gonna slide to the right, slide it down like this, hold it down, and then pull out the emergency key. All right. And once we have the emergency key out, what we're gonna do is you're gonna use a small flathead screwdriver or anything kind of small. You have these two little baby slots right here. Okay, I'm just gonna put the screwdriver in it. It's not going to go very far, but we're just going to give the screwdriver a twist on both sides, and it's going to help me crack it open. See how I cracked it open? And then we're just going to go around and work this guy open. Okay, we can take it like this. All right, on the back side is where the battery's at, and we're going to just pry the battery out using one of these slots. What is going to have it? This one. Okay. And I'll show you what size the new battery is. The new battery is going to be a CR2032 with the positive sign facing down. You just stick it in these contacts first, slip it in there like that. If you need a battery, check the description box. I'll have the link. Takes you to Amazon, need a new battery. Put these halves together, start at the top, and work our way down. Just snap this guy closed. Emergency key goes back in. And you're all done. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it. Hit that like button for me or leave me a comment.